The Mahakumbh, one of the largest spiritual gatherings in the world, is set to become a vibrant confluence of culture and creativity from 10th January to 24th February. Under the auspices of the Yogi government, this grand event will showcase a plethora of artistic expressions, including singing, dancing, and poetry recitation. A remarkable feature of this year's celebration will be the Kavi Sammelan, where poets from Uttar Pradesh and across the nation will gather to enthrall devotees, tourists, and Kalpvasis with their evocative verses. The diverse emotional tones, Veer Ras, Shringar Ras, Hasya Ras, Karun Ras, and Bhakti Ras, will resonate through the air, creating an unforgettable ambience steeped in cultural richness. A stellar lineup of poets is slated to grace the stage, presenting their works to an eager audience. The Kavi Sammelan will kick off with local poets such as Anil Chaube from Varanasi and Shlesh Gautam from Prayagraj, paving the way for a poetic journey that features prominent voices like Buddhinath Mishra and Kumar Vishwas. Each day's recitation promises to reflect the unique styles and sentiments of the poets, engaging listeners with themes ranging from love to humor. The participation of acclaimed poets from various states enriches the experience, fostering a spirit of unity and collaboration among artists of different backgrounds. The UP Directorate of Culture has meticulously prepared for a series of cultural programs designed to celebrate and elevate local talent. This initiative not only prioritizes the representation of regional artists but also provides an international platform for them. The poetry recitals are scheduled to include notable figures such as Ashok Chakradhar, known for his insightful verses, and the charismatic Shailesh Lodha, beloved for his relatable performances. Each event will be an opportunity for the audience to connect deeply with the heartbeats of contemporary Indian poetry, marked by both nostalgia and innovation. The Mahakumbh will resonate with the voices of poets like Dinesh Raghuvanshi, who touches upon themes of motherhood, and Kumar Vishwas, whose verses inspire and invigorate. As the event progresses, each recitation will create ripples of laughter, contemplation, and devotion among those present. This cultural confluence at the Mahakumbh is not just an event, it is a celebration of the diverse tapestry of Indian culture, where artistry and spirituality coalesce in a unique display of talent and tradition. The forthcoming days promise to leave an indelible mark on the hearts of all participants, weaving together the threads of poetry and devotion into the fabric of this iconic gathering.